Welcome and thank you for joining us today, young adventurers, on Storytale Family Fun. We appreciate the love. Kindly give us some likes after watching our videos. Today we are thrilling into the world of the jungle safari. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the heart of the untamed wilderness, where majestic creatures roam and hidden treasures await. Our journey begins as we hop on board our trusty safari jeep, ready to explore the wonders that lie ahead. Our experienced guide, John, will lead the way and share his extensive knowledge about the wildlife and ecosystem of this incredible jungle. As we venture deeper into the jungle, keep your eyes wide open. You never know what incredible creatures might cross our path. From mighty elephants to graceful lions, this safari promises encounters with the most awe-inspiring animals on Earth. Look, there's a herd of elephants. They're so majestic. And over there, a pride of lions. This is incredible. Our journey wouldn't be complete without taking a moment to appreciate the breathtaking beauty of this jungle. We've arrived at a hidden gem, a stunning waterfall surrounded by lush greenery. Take a deep breath and soak in the tranquility of this magical place. It's time to refuel and recharge. We've prepared a delicious picnic lunch amidst nature's embrace. As we indulge in local delicacies, John shares fascinating stories about the jungle's history and the importance of conservation. The adventure continues. We're now embarking on a short trek, guided by John, to explore the jungle on foot. This allows us to get up close and personal with the flora and fauna, experiencing the sights, sounds, and scents of the jungle like never before. As the sun starts to set, we find ourselves at a breathtaking lookout point. The sky is painted in hues of orange and pink, casting a magical glow over the jungle. It's a moment of pure serenity and gratitude for the wonders we've witnessed throughout the day. Our jungle safari has come to an end, but the memories and experiences will stay with us forever. We hope you enjoyed this incredible journey and were inspired to explore the wild wonders of our planet. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep cherishing the beauty of our natural world. Happy adventuring! Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Storytale Family Fun.